Hello, good evening. This is Arshel of AMA, a student of AMA. And right now, I want to share my comments and vlog about the video that I watched in the YouTube, uh, Our World, Our Business. And as 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 I am watching the video, I just realized that uh, the climate change is really worse today, and it's really getting worse. As you can see, our world uh, became becomes warmer and becoming warmer, and the video is all about the effect of climate change. And also I watched some solutions, but I didn't I didn't I didn't see there that there's a solutions for uh, decreasing the population, because I think that is the really solution for our to save the world for the climate change that we are suffering right now. And it, as you can see, if if there are more people in the world, we multiply billions every day, and that people uses technology. And one of the reasons of the climate change is technology too, because every people uses technology, and it became worse because every person eat, every every person has a basic needs like food, clothes, house, and most of the people now have cars, not even one, but just two, three, or four. It's just a collection. All things. People today becomes more materialistic, and that materials, all the things, is in the process, and all of the process is in the factory. And the factory uses some energy, some gases to manufacture some things, and that they emit some carbon into the air that causes damage to the earth. So as you can see, the ice in the North Pole is melting, and the country that is very affected to that is our country, the Philippines, because we are facing the South Pacific Ocean. And the more warmer the ocean became warmer, the typhoon becomes bigger and wider and stronger, not like before. Before it's 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 colder than now. Right now it's become hotter. And they in the video, they said that the solution is they make some land, a particular land, to plant and to produce some foods that can sustain the the food, the basic needs, the foods of the population. But how can sustain all the billions of people around the world? And I think, but I wish it's not true, that this, well, it's just my opinion. Everybody has an opinion, right? So my opinion is this COVID-19 is one of the solutions to save the earth from extinction, or probably maybe one day. I wish it not. But because um, if less people, less consumer, and of course there is less technology, less materials that the factories manufactured every day. It is all because of our needs. And some people are very, very that high tech person, they are very, very more materialistic, just like in other countries. But us, the Philippines, we really not emitting so much carbon that can damage the earth. So I think the COVID-19 is the real deal. I think that's the solution, because it can lessen the population, and I think um, if the government will will pursue, will force the people to to force them not to, you know, uh, to have a less population, to prevent another birth, or they can give some uh, contraceptive pills, and to lessen the population of every country. Maybe they can attain the survival. Maybe that's it is all because of the government. Sometimes, example, in the Philippines, we are a democratic country, so the government cannot force it because we are a democracy. And even some other countries have abortion, but it's not ethical, it's not moral, so I think it's not a good idea. So this video is for saving our world, and to lessen the climate change effect. But the best solution is to reduce the population, because less consumer, less emission of carbon dioxide, and also less using the technologies, especially the cars, and less less utilizing the materials that the factories produces, because the factories is one of the of the it's one of the factors that really emits carbon dioxide into the air. So that's all. Thank you.